Good morning all. We are continuing our earlier lesson, that is voices, and today we will see the formation of passive voices from active of present continuous tense and past continuous tense. So let us understand this through examples so that the concept would be more clear. Like grandmother is telling a story. Here in this sentence the action is being performed by grandmother. So grandmother is a subject and is a helping verb. Is a helping verb. Telling is the main verb, and togetherly they are forming a they will be called as verb, and a story is the object. So in the earlier class also we had seen that in active voice subject comes in the beginning followed by verb and finally object occurs. But in a way to change this active to passive of present continuous tense, object will be taking place of the subject, means a story will be in the beginning, a story, and a story is singular in number. So with the story is helping verb will be used. A story is, being is the additional verb which is used. It is also a helping verb. A story is being. Third form of verb means past participle form of telling is told. Okay, so a story is being told by whom? By grandmother. Grandmother. So we came to know that in passive voice object comes in the beginning and helping verb will be used to make active to passive as is, am, are followed by being of present continuous tense. Object is, am, are followed by being, then third form of verb, and finally by, then subject. So this is the structure we follow to change active to passive. Let us understand this through some more examples. They are doing their project. They are doing their project. So here the action is being performed by whom? By they. So here the doer is they. They is the pronoun here. So this is subject. Are is a helping verb and doing is the main verb. Togetherly they are forming a verb, and their project is the example. Their project is the object of the sentence. So here this will come in the beginning. So object, their project. Here there is a singular project, means many people are doing one project. So their project is will be used with this. Their project is being, third form of verb, done by subject. Their project is being done by them. So in this way the passive voices are formed. For the recognition purpose you need to remember one thing, which is that in active voice subject comes in the beginning followed by is, am, are of present continuous tense. Is, am, are, then fourth form of verb means ing form followed by object. So this is the structure of present continuous tense active voice. Okay, subject, is, am, are, fourth form of verb, then object. To change this active into passive, this structure will be followed up. This is the structure of passive voices, passive voice of present continuous, and this is the structure of active voice of present continuous tense. So in this way the forms of active to passive are changed. Let us see some more examples so that the concept would be clear. Aryama is listening music. Mahesh is growing plants. So let's convert these active voices into passive. Here the music, our music is the object here. Okay, so our music is considered as singular. So our music is will be used is being. Third form of means past participle form of listening is listened. Our music is being listened by subject, by Aryama. Now let us change this active voice into passive. Here the plants. Here the plants. Plants are the object here. Plants are being. Past participle of growing is grown. Plants are being grown by Mahesh. So in this way, active voices are changed into passive. Okay. Now let us learn to change active to passive of past continuous. In past continuous and present continuous. In present continuous, we use the helping verb is, am, are followed by being. Is, am, are followed by fourth form of verb. And same like in the past continuous, we use was or were followed by fourth form of verb. Followed by fourth form of verb. But if we are changing these two tenses, active voices into passive, third form of verb will be used, but with is, am, are, additional verb is used, that is being. Being, must remember this. Is, am, are followed by being, then third form of verb. In the very same way, this takes place in the past continuous tense also. Was, were followed by being, then third form of verb. So this is the structure. This is an active. These two are inactive. These two are inactive, and these two are in passive. So in this way, the sentences are changed from active to passive of present continuous and past continuous. Thank you.